guys, so I'm hoping this is the right way so I don't need to do much editing in this video. I could have just uploaded my TikTok. I thought I would come on and talk you through and tell you what I did, and it's going to be added to my Inspired By list, even though technically it's not inspired by anybody on YouTube. It's inspired by somebody on TikTok. But it's still, you know, it doesn't necessarily just need to be YouTube. It could be any kind of inspiration that I get. So if you're on TikTok, I will share the links to the people that inspired me to do this. Well, one person inspired me, then they shared the link to a tutorial. So I'll share the link to both. If you're on TikTok, we'll check them out as well. So I made this wee card. It's meant to be like a card and stuff, but I kind of made it into a journal card type thing. So let's see if I can do it with one hand, because yesterday I couldn't open it with one hand. So I'm going to see if I can open it with one hand. So this is the way it looks. It is shiny. It's metallic. Well, foil. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. It's very hard to open with one hand. I think I managed it yesterday, but eventually. Yep. So it opens up like this, and it's a pop-up card. So I've actually added more of the foil paper inside. I wanted to kind of incorporate it. So this is this side. And then I used, this is different card for this, but I ran out of the, paper. But I ran out of this paper, so I had to use a different kind of paper. But I've used this paper on these little tags. So everything's all incorporated. So everything kind of matches. I probably will add a wee bit more to this, like maybe add a wee embellishment or two to the tags. I might add a picture to the front, and I'm actually thinking about adding pockets to these bits so I can add more tags. So I think it would be a cool wee journal inserts as well, and I'm so happy that I managed to do it. I'm not very good at card making, but I'm actually quite proud of this one. I know it's not actually a card, it's a journal card type thing, but I had to put the tape on because I kind of, the sides wouldn't glue down properly, and my tape runner thing was totally destroyed. The tape bit came out. It was my first time using this tape thing, so if anybody's any hints and tips on how to use these things, the tape bit came right out, and then I tried to fix it by taking it out completely and trying to wind it up, and then I cut it, and then it's a disaster. But so I need to get a new one. Yeah, so that needs to go in the bin. I need a new one. But yeah, so I was using the tape runner, but then that broke, so I had to kind of put glue on, and then I didn't put enough glue on, so the pockets weren't sticking properly. So I just put this tape down just to kind of hold them. Plus it kind of adds as well. So yeah, all the tags are the same. I love the tags. I think they're so cute. I just did this bit of die cut. And then one in here. But yeah, I'm thinking about adding maybe a sticker, either to the, I don't know whether to leave them plain or maybe add a sticker or two to the pockets, or just add a wee embellishment to the tags, or what, I don't know yet, but I will come on and show you it all once it's completely finished. I thought I would be able to stand it up like this, but I don't think I can. I don't think the lady did that either, to be honest. So it would have been cool if I could stand it up like that. I probably could. I could probably glue it so it would stand. But yeah, it's probably in a pocket anyway. So it's just cool that it pops up like this. Well, I love the fact that I managed to do it. So happy because, like, as I say, I'm really usually quite bad at card making. So yeah, I followed the tutorial and got this, so I'm really happy that I'm starting to get my mojo back again. And I've got some goodies on the way, guys. I invested in lots of goodies And I've got loads of goodies on the way. I am so happy. But I need to wait and they'll come, and some of them aren't coming in October. And I finally invested in these. So yeah, I invested in some 3-in-1 as well. I've been treating myself, guys. And this is my wee desk area. It's a bit messy at the minute, but I thought I'd come on and show you that as well whilst I'm... Right, how do I get this closed again? Hang on. Hang on. I might need both of this. Oh no, my tag just fell out. Did it? No, something else fell off the table. And that's the front. So, yeah, it's cute. I'm going to see if I can get a blue ribbon to put round it. But yeah, this is my wee desk area. It's a bit messy at the minute because I was crafting last night when I was tidied yet. I was that busy crafting last night that I didn't eat my dinner until 11 o'clock at night. Which wasn't probably a good idea, but yeah. So this is my wee craft setup that I've got at the minute. This is my wee... These were in here, but I was trying to find something for these. But like even the tapes all fell out last night. The gaps are quite big. So I don't know. I need to pick up the tapes that fell on the floor last night, but I get a paper stack here, so I'm just gonna trying to tidy up a wee bit. And then I get this ribbon yesterday as well, the other day. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. I love it. I love the colour. So pretty. So I get that the other day. I'm just gonna put that in here. This is all my die cut circles for ATC coins and stuff. I think there might be some hearts in there as well, actually, I don't know. But just basically my die cut shapes. And then my cutters here, my tripod. This is my new tripod, which is actually quite good as well. I've actually asked a friend if they'll get me a bit of glass for my table, a 12 by 12 piece of glass. I know that's probably not the greatest size, but I thought I don't need a big huge piece of glass, so I just asked them for a 12 by 12 because I think that's a good enough area to work on. And I'm just trying to tidy up the table a wee bit. So I was messing about with these kind of stickers as well, just to see if I could put any of these on, but yeah. And then I've got my wee drawer set up, but I don't think I've done a video of these. No, I got these at the charity shop. I think I might have actually, I don't know, I can't remember. They were only £3, these wee drawers, but I don't know what I put in them yet. I'm actually thinking about taking these out and putting them in here. I don't know. I've got another one of these kicking about somewhere, and it's on the floor. I think it fell the other day. And then I've got these, which is just wee stickers in here. These wee tubs. As you can see, I've not took the prices off them yet. I will eventually. And they just sit in here. And then I've got this wee tub here. And I've got like my wee index card things in here. Well, memory text. And that's my clip-on for my... Ooh, sorry. My ring light that I got for my Christmas. It just clips off my phone. I've got my candle there. So these just gonna sit in here again. And then I've got my wee herb things with things in them, but I think I'm going to move them into these drawers, to be honest. And then these drawers I have got, if I can get them opened, where are you? Stickers in here. These are so cute, the wee gnomes. Oh. Can't remember what else is in here. I think it's leaves. And then in here is butterflies. So yeah, I'm happy. My Wi-Fi box. And then I got this wee rubber mat thing as well. So yeah, so I'm slowly building up my stash, guys. My wee collection of stuff. It's not quite there yet, but I'm slowly building it up. I can't wait to show you the goodies, but it'll probably be October, maybe. Or at least September, October, before I show you. I might show you, because I've got one coming in September, and one actually coming tomorrow, so I don't know whether to wait and show you all three at the same time. It could be a long video though if I do that. I don't know. I might show you as they come though, I don't know. But yeah, I'm so excited. But anyway guys, I'm gonna go and I'll speak to you soon. So yeah, I'll share the link again. I'll share the link to the girls that inspired me to do this. And as I say, even though it's my inspired by, I said it was like thingy. I'm doing it for anything. It could be a Pinterest post. You know, I'm just going to add anything that inspires me into it that I make. So there you go, guys. I will speak to you soon. Bye. Remember, if you do have TikTok, go follow these ladies because they are really good.